But let's get to it, guys. So first of all, let's go ahead and just try that knife. Look at that. That's crazy. That is some strong glass. Guys, I can't crack it. I mean, this isn't a plastic knife right here. Okay, so let's see the final results of that little test. What in the world? Here we go. This is it, guys. 3-pound hammer. First of all, we're going to drop it from a few inches above in 3, 2, 1. We're good. Again. We're good. And again. We're good. What? Guys, it's cracked. Now that's a real spider right there. Look at that. But guys, we're going to have to continue because, I mean, that's the way it is. Are you serious already? This glass is not feeling good. Like, I feel like it's kind of weak for some reason. Like, the back is really strong, but the front is like really, really weak. Look at that. Stuff is cracking right away. Are you serious? And that's it. It's gonna shut down just like that. Oh. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Can it still do the face? Let's see. Yes, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa. Yeah, you can see it says T-Mobile. What does that mean? It means you got it shut down. Shut down, bro. Shut down. Whoa. It's still showing me life right there. It's pretty crazy. So the frame isn't bending at all, but I feel like that top layer of glass is extremely like fragile. It's just seeping into creating a huge hole in the bottom. Like there's no battery down there or something. Now check it out, guys. Wow. This thing is absolutely destroyed. So that wraps it up, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos. Does it show any life? Looks like it doesn't anymore. Peace out.